Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. I mean, the LINK chart, honestly, it seems to be frozen. I don't know, maybe someone needs to click a button that it continues, but this is really just continuous sideways action. I thought about a few other ways of how this can be countered from an Elliott wave point of view, this sideways action. I came to the conclusion there's no need to do anything different right now anyway. So we are still in the situation in which a wave 4 probably or possibly completed in November last year. And we could now be in this ending diagonal. This is the wave count that could take us to the $3.50 region. Should the price obviously come down lower and should we stay within this price channel. Okay, so the price channel is very important because a break above the price channel will also probably lead to a break above the Fibonacci resistance, and only a break above the Fibonacci resistance will basically force me to reinterpret this structure. And I think what it would leave us with is the potential that this wave 4 just gets reset higher. So where I have currently an ABC structure for this wave 4, and that it might have topped in November last year, with now a very long wave 5 still to be unfolding, this wave 4 could just simply extend. Okay, so at the moment I've got here A wave, B wave, C wave, or you could probably even a WXY, you might count it like that. And an alternative interpretation would be that we say that the price actually just moved up in a large A wave, certainly corrective price action here, so it could be an A wave. The move down was an overshooting B wave to the downside, and we are now, and that's a bullish interpretation short term, we're now moving higher in ideally a 5-wave move, and then we have a larger ABC structure. So if the wave 4 gets reset higher, this would be the most straightforward wave structure that we would look for. Talking about Fibonacci extensions, where could that take us? So it would take us roughly, first level I would pay attention to is the 1-to-1 ratio. Now that will not be very high because it made an overshooting B wave to the downside. So, but nevertheless, another one to watch is the 1.618 extension. Now, funny enough, the 1-to-1 ratio would still end within the green resistance range, or the green range basically, here at $9.08. The 1.618 extension, which would be a more bullish interpretation, could take it to around about $13.28. Certainly levels to watch if the wave 4 gets reset a little higher. It could just be that this move up is not an ABC, but just a WXY, and then it would end here, yeah, with maybe just another push to the upside. But either way, we cannot really confirm anything very bullish, yeah, until we have 5 waves up and 3 waves down. That's, again, you know the routine. That's how it needs to be. We need 5 waves up, 3 waves down. Because until we have that, and it would need to look like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so again, that could just be a larger 3-wave move in wave 4. But if afterwards it forms a higher low, then we have a valid 1-2 setup and we could trade to new all-time highs. Until then, because of the unusual bottoming structure that we've got on this chart, we have to expect further downside. And I mean, in a more bullish interpretation, we would go up first and then come down. But as soon as we see 5 waves up, I will keep an eye out for that so-called 5 up, 3 down structure, which would be bullish. But, you know, until then, it's difficult because we are still, first of all, constrained by the channel. We are still in that rectangle pattern, and really only a break above the resistance here would only then really we would have confirmation that the wave 4 has to be reset. I mean, before that we have that break above resistance that would suggest it will probably be reset, but we haven't got invalidation of the wave 4. The wave 4 is really going to be invalidated only as it is there now, with a break above the green line, which is a breakout point, the $9.50 level. So yeah, I'll keep you updated, but at the moment the chart just needs to move. It seems frozen. So nevertheless, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.